Today, we will introduce how to use this YEG laser machine to remove acne marks. We need to use a 1064 nanometers tip. It is commonly used for skin treatments, including acne scar removal. First, we need to clean the skin and select the 1064 nanometers probe. The laser beam is divided into multiple tiny microbeams, creating microscopic wounds in the skin while leaving healthy tissue around them intact. This promotes faster healing and reduces downtime during the operation. Because each person's pigmentation is different, different energies need to be selected according to the customer's tolerance. After the operation, we can see some small wounds on the face, so we need to apply a mask to the skin to soothe it. At the same time, the client needs to avoid contact with water within 2 days and wipe it with saline. This machine can also be used for blackface dull cleaning and tattoo removal. Contact us to learn more.